Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video, I will guide use the link to Windows app from an iPhone. Now, if you are planning to use the link to Windows app from an iPhone but you don't know how to do it, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. The first thing and the first basic thing which you need to do is that make sure that you have your phone and your laptop, and so after that you just need to make sure that you have already installed the link to Windows app on your iPhone. So if you have not done, you just need to install it from App Store or Play Store device. So after that, open the link to Windows app, and here you will see the option of scan the QR code on your PC or continue without QR code. So you just need to click on the option of scan the QR code from a PC, and for PC you just need to, and for PC you will see the option of access a mobile device here. So click on the device like iPhone and all of it, and it will open like this, and you just need to scan this QR code from your device. So after doing all of it, you just need to click on the option of continue pairing with Bluetooth. So click on the option of continue like this, and from here you just need to click on the option of allow, and it says looking for your PC to start Bluetooth pairing. So here you will see the option of your Bluetooth. So make sure that your PC's Bluetooth is also on with it, and by doing all of it you will be able to use the link to device. So after doing all of it, your device will be paired using the link to Windows app, and you will be able to like this. So that's it. That's how you can use the link to Windows app from your phone. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.